In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of the tab in your Shopify store. This is the little text you see at the top of your browser, and it's also closely connected to how your store appears in search results, so it's worth getting right. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, and your store's appearance. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. When you click Online Store, a few more options will appear underneath it. One of those options is called Preferences. This is where Shopify keeps important settings related to your homepage, SEO, and how your store appears to visitors and search engines. Click on Preferences to open that page. On the Preferences page, scroll down until you see a section called Search Engine Listing Preview or Social Sharing Image and SEO, depending on your current Shopify layout. This section controls how your homepage is presented in browser tabs, on Google, and when your site is shared on social media. Inside this section, you'll see a field labeled Home Page Title. This is the text that becomes your browser tab name. Click into that field and type in the title you'd like to appear. Try to keep it clear and descriptive. For example, you might include your brand name plus a short phrase about what you sell. Aim for something that looks professional and is easy to recognize when someone has multiple tabs open. Just below that, you'll find another field called Meta Description. This doesn't change the tab name, but it does control the short description that appears under your site title on Google. Click into this field and write a brief, compelling summary of your store. Mention what you offer and what makes your store unique. Keep it natural and readable, and try to stay within a couple of short sentences so it doesn't get cut off in search results. Once you're happy with your homepage title and meta description, scroll to the top or bottom of the page and click the Save button. This step is important because your changes won't go live until you save. After saving, open your store in a new tab to confirm that the browser tab now shows your updated title.